Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the role of supplements in supporting overall health and fitness, and how to choose the right ones for you. Supplements are an increasingly popular way to support our overall health and fitness goals. They can provide us with nutrients and other substances that we may not be getting enough of through our regular diets. However, with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. The first step in choosing the right supplements for you is to identify your specific health and fitness goals. Are you looking to build muscle? Improve your energy levels? Boost your immune system? Different supplements will be more effective for different goals. Next, do your research. Look into the different supplements available and what their benefits are. Consider talking to a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to get personalized advice. It's also important to pay attention to the quality and purity of the supplements you're considering. Look for products that are third-party tested and have a good reputation in the industry. When it comes to dosage, always follow the instructions on the label and avoid taking more than the recommended amount. Some supplements can be harmful in large doses, so it's important to be cautious. Finally, remember that supplements are meant to supplement a healthy diet and lifestyle, not replace them. Eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly are all essential components of overall health and fitness. In summary, supplements can be a valuable tool in supporting our health and fitness goals, but it's important to choose the right ones for our specific needs and to use them responsibly as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips.